Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on color blind mode in Mobile Legends. Mobile Legends includes a color blind mode to help players with color vision difficulty see HP bars, skills and visual effects more clearly. First of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application and wait for the main lobby to load. From the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on the basic option on the top left. Inside basic, scroll down and look for color blind filter. Tap on the on button right next to color blind filter and make sure that it is turned on. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable color blind mode in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. When enabled, visual changes appear in hero HP bars, damage indicators, buff or objective colors, and some UI elements. So there you have it. You can always turn off blind mode by tapping the off button right next to color blind filter. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.